In this video, we are going to learn about the strings in the JavaScript and its methods, and what are the ways to write the strings, and what are the proper definition of the string, that and some of the DSA questions of the JavaScript also we are going to solve as a simple. And in the upcoming videos, I'm going to solve the some of the DSA questions that are like middle level. So basically, we will start with the strings. So the string is object is used to represent and manipulate the sequence of a character. So what do you mean by this line? So basically, they want to tell that there is a suppose if you are having a word as in something as welcome or something else, you can manipulate each of the element of that one, and you can execute it properly. With before that, we will go for this one. Uh, what is the definition of the string? A string is a set of collection of characters. So basically, what do you mean by say some we are having alphabets like A B C D. If we are having making the collections of the characters, then it is known as strings. Then it is having some string methods, and it is having types of strings. How many types of way to write the string? Those all the things are there. How to write those things? We will start with the one by one. First, what we will let A is to single tick hello. Then let B is equal to hello. Not this is the double tick. The first we have used the single tick. Then we are having back tick. Okay, and then let D is equal to string of hello. Okay, let E is equal to new string. Okay, these are the all some of the examples, and I'm going to console all these three in the same line. B. Okay, and we will go for this one, and then we will check. And you can see here ABC, hello, hello, hello. It is printing 5 times, and the last one is printing as a object, and but still it will print as a things. And you can see the index position of the each particular element. It will be as a properly number. Then we will go for the string methods. First is the string dot length. So what do you mean by this one? How it works? I will remove this content. I will add something new handle string is to welcome. Something I have added here, and the variable name is too big, so I will take one simple a only, and then console.log of a dot length. Previously, we have seen we will just print a, then that variable name a. Then what will happen? It will print that whatever the data it is having, it will print that as a welcome or something, whatever you are having, it will print as the same thing. Suppose if you write as a dot length, then what will happen? So what it will do, it will be take the length, whatever the length is there, it will try to print that length 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can count the welcome this one, how much characters it is having, that much of length will be considered. And then we are having some more examples like that only. Console.log of a dot at 2. So what is this member 2? So what this 2 is the index position of this one. It will always it will start with the 0, 0, 1, no, and then 2. So the 2 in the sense it will give as a L, because L is there as in the second position. If I make 3, then we will get as a C. Like this it works. And suppose we are having, if we don't have any data at we are having 30. I have written as a 30, but we don't have a 30 here. Then it will provide as a undefined, because it doesn't have any data to print. Then what will happen? It will print like that one. So this is the important thing. They will ask what does it returns in the case where it doesn't have any data. Then you should say it as a undefined. Okay, then in this length is not an issue. So then we are having console.log of at. At is data. Either we will get the data or else we will get the undefined. If we provide some lengthy issue, then we are having only 7 here, but if we have provided 30. Then what will happen? It will provide undefined. So this is the one of the important. Like that, we are having some more examples. Console.log of e dot caret. Then we'll add 3. Okay. Then it will provide C. In the third place C is there. If we do the same thing with here also, I 32 I have added, then it will provide nothing, because either it will print the data or else it will leave it as a empty, because it will not go for the further process of this one. Okay, these are the comment out statements, are the written statements. They will ask in the interview purpose, and some other examples I am going to show you. Console.log at, then we are having caret, then a dot char code at, char code at 4. 4. So basically, what it will do, char code at, in the sense every alphabet, every number, every dollar sign, or everything in the uh, everything, it is having a specifically ASCII value number that will be printed here. You can see triple one. The triple one is here. The O is there. The C the C is considered as a triple one. If I do change here the number or 5 6 something, then you can see 109. So if I make it as 50, now we don't have 50, then what will happen? It will provide as a NaN. It will provide ASCII value or NaN. Okay. If you go to the MDN docs and go for that one, caret char code at, you can see here char code at, here it is there. What it will do, the char code at method string value returns an integer between 0 and 65535, something, a number it will represent. So what is that number? That number is a basically ASCII value. Every character in the alphabet has given a basically they have given one value. Then you can see here, you can prefer from this notes also. And apart from that one, next we are having slice. And here I'm going to show you only those important things. And we're having substring and substr. Those are the net level things. A dot slice. Slice. Basically, what do you mean by slice? Suppose you are having one apple. You are going to cut into two pieces. That is known as slice. And here also we are going to cut welcome into some two different pieces. What I'm going to do, from 0 to 3. I need this much of data. So what I will do, I have added 0 to 3. So then what you can see here, instead of welcome, it has, we got only WEL. We should also got C also we should get, but it is not getting printed C, because what will happen here, at the end of the element, that will be neglected here. You can read the data 0 1 2 and the 3. 3 is here C. It should have printed C also, but it haven't printed C, because the last the whatever the number you have provided, it will be neglected. The previous number, whatever the number will be considered. If you have given 3, then it will consider as 2. Suppose you have given 10, then it will consider as 9, like that. Suppose we have given only single data, then it will consider as everything, like this. You can add as a editing or slicing or whatever you want. You can keep it as name. Then slice you have seen. The important now thing is uppercase and lowercase to uppercase. Okay, what will happen? Uh, we have written welcome in a small letter, but we have got by using that method, we have got everything in a capital letters. So this is what uppercase will do. The same thing we are having with lowercase also. A dot to lowercase. Okay. Then you can see everything is welcome. And I will add this as a capital so that you will get to know. Now you can see Small letter, everything is small here. So this is how we works, and we are having some other examples and other data, and you can the substring and substr are not so much important, but still you can learn. And then we have seen to uppercase and to lowercase. Now next we will learn about concatenation. Concatenation in the sense, suppose we are having two data, welcome. After welcome, we want to add something like welcome a b is equal to welcome to coding. Okay, something like this. And I want to continue with both the sentence in the same line. How you can do that? Just console.log and then a plus b and provide in between them, provide little bit space. So then there also it will be same thing. You can see welcome to coding. This is how and here after that welcome to coding. Now both are then properly working. Then we are having some other examples. After concatenation, trim start. This is the one of the important topic. I'm going to show you here. Suppose here welcome is there. I'm providing many spaces in between them. This white space is also considered as a length of them. And you can see here line number 3 console dot a dot length. Previously we were having 7. Now it will be 14. Now it is 14. Why? Because the white space is also considered there. And we want to remove this white spaces. Suppose where any you're going to fill up in going to fill up any form in the government or somewhere else. Starting you try to provide some spaces and then try to write your name. What will happen? It will take the space, but after when it go to the database, while going to database, what will happen? It will remove that white spaces. How it works? How it works means console.log a dot trim. So only trim is there. Only trim in the sense both the sides, as the left side and the right side. Both the sides it will be removed. Now if I do the same thing, a dot length, and no, here only I will try to add this one length. You can see only 7 is there because we have removed the both the side white spaces. Then we will having a dot trim right and trim left. So sorry, trim start and trim end. Trim start you can see I have removed this one, and then length. Now you can see 10 is there because it has been removed three spaces from this side, but it is having still three spaces from this side. So this is what it happens. Trim start, what it has did, it has removed the left side spaces, white spaces. If I the same thing I want to do with the at the end of at the right side. For that we are having trim end, uh, and we are having dot length. Okay, you can see 11 because it has neglected this one and it has removed this one. How much space it is having, that will be counted here. So this is how we are having trim start, trim end, and trim. So this is what examples are there. Next, after that, some other examples are also there. You can go to the MDN docs here. mm, I'm just give the names. You can search in the MDN docs laterly, like pad start, pad start, okay, and then pad end, okay. Then we are having next we are having replace. Suppose if want to replace or else if you want to repeat the same thing as a welcome 5 times, how we can do? Instead of writing 5 times, we are having some methods called replace. A dot replace, sorry, repeat. How many times you want? You can write here 3 times. Then what will happen? I have written 3. Then what will happen? It will print it for the 3 times. You can see in the console. And then if you want to replace any data here, instead of welcome, I wanted to print something instead of welcome. Hello world I want to print. Okay. And then for that, what I will do, console.log a dot replace. Then if you hover on this one, they will provide you the things. String dot replace search value, and then expression replace value means we need to provide the first this one, and then what instead of that what you want to paste that write that one in comma, then hello world like this. Now we will go for the browser, and you can see instead of welcome now we can see hello world. So this is what we are having. Like that we are having replace all is also there. You can try that one also. I'm I'm just trying to give the hint so that you can solve replace all. Then we are having index and find index something here there. We will check that one also. Index of in the index of okay welcome. Here what is happening here in the sense we need to provide the we will hover on this one what it is going to tell returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring. So substring what will happen here now instead of hello I will add hello world. Okay, then mhm. Now word is in the which place I wanted to check. For that what I will do hello world. Okay, now it will tell us in which place it is there. In the sixth position it is the hello world is getting started. Like that we are having last index also last index of something like this we are having another one. So you can try this one example and comment out what output it will give and proper definition of for that one. Then we are having a dot search of and here what it will provide if it is doesn't have data either data or -1. E dot search world in which place it is there it will tell us. If suppose if it is having no data like that I will make one small change in that one. What is not there in that it will tell us. Like that it will also provide -1. Either it will provide data or else -1. Okay, same thing it will provide. And last we are having that is index of sorry not index of includes word. Suppose if it is not there, then what it will print? It will print boolean either true or false. Suppose if it is not there, then it will print false. Words, then words is not there, then it will provide false. So these are the small things you need to learn as these are the small important things that you can start. And here I'm going to write that one also. That is substring, and then substr. Try to find the difference between substring and substr. And apart from this one, we are having some more examples of the string, but these are the most important using in the DSA questions. And try while solving the questions and while writing the making the websites or something. These are the things are mostly important. So thanks for watching the video. In the next video, we are going to solve array questions and some important topics of the JavaScript.